wishlist because I don't see it over here, so.
Chat and help her with the wishlist something. Somebody will know about wishlist coming in her box.
Find me in wishlist because I can't find it.
When I come in her box, we know about the wishlist something.
I want a partner that I can talk to and talk things with and talk and then can understand what me I say from my.
You want somebody to agree with you when you're wrong.
When I'm on a grind out your blood clot, bumbo clot picking me.
If you agree when you're wrong.
Pick up and wash them blood clots stress all you tell me say you can't listen to not what me I say.
So if you agree when you're wrong, that me I say.
You never come in this should be nobody.
If you agree when you're wrong, that me I ask you say. That me ask you say. If you agree when you're wrong.
If me I talk to you, you're supposed to listen to what me I say. When me I nagging.
Good day, mama.
Listen to what me I say.
But me have to listen to you. You are me.
You see, if you shut me off, I tell about who you know when I'm talking. I swear.
Because listen up.
This morning, I get a getaway. I come in now and have bad vibes in the body. A pure bad vibes me like a put.
Bro, listen to me I say that. Listen to me I say.
I don't like talk to people and me I talk to myself.
You don't talk to yourself.
Talk to somebody and then just make a conversation all about fucking them. Fuck what me I say. Me don't like talk to people and people me like say nah no sense. You know them type of way the guys.
It's not me like you know. Listen up. Most of the things them listen up. You have some idea or some perspective on things, but you look on it, babe, is the wrong way you look on it. No, listener, you see it, you're not going to agree because you want to be right. It's not about being right in that conversation. Babe, hold on. Hold on, babe.
Bro,
we are in a convo. Hold on, babe. Jesus.
When me observe and see for myself, and I come to you as my man. I said to you, and the first thing I say, you don't want to hear them talking there. You don't want to hear them talking. Leave that alone because you don't want this and that mashing up a day. So imagine now how you would have feel if you come to me with a topic and I'm going to tell you say, yo, me don't want to chat about that.
How much time?
Me don't want this. When you ever chat and
me I
spend a cut you up. Daniel, how much time you chat until me drop asleep and me listen to you.
Yeah. But you make blood clot TikTok screen recording like that. When we chat to you till you drop asleep.
What do you? It's like we watch TV and me scroll through my TikTok. I scroll through my TikTok and you assess to me. And then I listen to the first sentence so you say, I say, yeah, B. And then you jump off in the other sentence, in the other part, and you tell me which part you did make and who did come from you 1999. Bro, like so many times, me ears.
Alright, chat, you see how life fucked up now?
Yeah, fucked up on it.
Listen now, you know. When me silent, thank you, 268. When me silent, me too silent. She asked me about something and me I show her the whole 9 yard. And she said me chat too much. Listen me now, you know. And you ask me about something and me I give you 9 yard, you know. Alright. Boom. Listen me now. Every time she have a perspective on something, how she look on it, at the wrong way she look on it. She look on it with anger. She pour too much emotion in it. You get me? I say?
Pour too much emotion.
Hold on, baby.
Just to say, you know, a good man. Most men care about their woman's emotion and how them feel. You are telling me, say, me are pouring too much emotion. Like, which man says that? What the fuck? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
What do you mean by which man said that?
Which man said that? If you see me right over the start cry, I go walk past me and go on like you don't see me because I don't care about my emotions and how me feel. I swear.
But suppose you're ball for foolish.
Oh, you know me a ball for foolishness. Because you're heartless. You're a heartless motherfucker. Me just see it.
Why you ball for foolish?
Me ever ball for foolish.
So if you come pet and pamper you, if you ball for something that makes sense.
That's what me a talk about. It make no sense me a day. You're going to talk about if you come and pamper you. You're supposed to do it. You're supposed, you're not supposed to ask your blood clot self if you just do it. And that upset me. And you go on like say you don't know what you do, but me know what you do.
Chat me I try to far off your world. We not come out
Don't
of fairy tales. You see me? The world and a fairy tales. You see me? We not
You're not
spun.
supposed to be my father than
We
you.
not spun by fairy tales and movie. You not have no reset.
Me know why you teach me all
You
this
know the
shit.
reset. You see me? I say chat. So when B I say me nah show too much emotion towards her. You see me?
Yeah.
One Anna we say. Me not ask you that
That
greatness.
seems like you give me bone.
To what we right, but what me I say is for your perspective on things different from mine. You see what me I say? My perspective is a lighter perspective on things. Me give people grace and me give them the time frame to do things. You see me? If me messed up before, me nah go put myself and say yo me dey above the person because I me dey messed up from the get go. So if me I think about something, you see me? And say me I go push towards this now, and the person that depend that they move there. Me can't complain. You see me? Me can't complain.
Because you don't have any effort, you don't try. You just give it one try and say, you now go that way, then boom, me give up. And
Different
I don't like
thing.
people like that.
Me give up.
You give up.
Me give up.
So when they come and see me, you will see me upset and you not even say, me come here.
Alia, me give up.
Sarah, you walk past me.
For you, Alia.
Go for yourself, you want to toughen up your face,
Alia,
toughen up your face.
me can write 2 books and you can write 2 books.
If
B.
you know, leaving where me attack, if me attack.
I miss say it I go south. I miss say it I go south.
As it go a little bit so, oh, me to be nice. I wanna hear the person and make one bag of nice.
But me I got top me nice with you. Cause what you know, if me know say it I go south in a less than, remember you know, you not go from 0 to 100 where you can cool back down, you know. You go from 0 to 1 million. So listen the difference now. Me learn to analyze and know how you stay, bro. Before me know say it I go down in a heated argument, me I go say be watch you know, me not go talk about that, leave it alone.
Should be sure and say,
Or me sound chat.
you know, use the head. Maybe sometimes you're too smart and your brain will work too much. When you leave it alone or you think the person is going to feel, or you think I go develop now one bigger blood clot argument.
No. You're supposed to just
if
to
you
chill.
leave it alone and walk away, what will happen?
You talk about it on a later date.
You go away and come back, you feel like say boom, and then just go and just
Talk about it on a later date.
which later date. You ever
If
talk
you know
about
say you
it on
will
a
get
later
too
date?
heated.
Am I not kidding?
No, because some argument me not go back on because I know say it I go back to the same
Just
argument
be
again.
sure you say you don't have any feelings with people and how them feel. Because they can do something and the person hurt. And you're going like in a blood clot, remember. But they must have malice.
Listen to me as a chat. Me avoid that blood clot before me go back down there. Watch out now. Me can know say alright, me do something. Me do something. See? Me know me do something. But yet still, me I do some other things to take our mind from it. Me know say she think about it same way. So you see down the line now, bro, if we do get to talk about it, sometimes I want to talk about it, you know, but me know say if we bring up back a topic,
They will cuss you.
she'll get crazy about it and bring up an argument. You see me? And then she'll get mad.
That's why if you bring it
So,
up.
me not bring up it.